नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामातीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. Good morning all the student of class BSc FY, subject zoology, paper number 2nd, name of the paper biodiversity of chordate, unit number 1st, second topic protochordate, semester 1st. Today's topic is cephalochordate. As related to your syllabus, general characters and their phylogeny of cephalochordate. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, the student, last period we see the protochordate animals. Protochordate animals is mainly divided by main three subphylum, that is the Hemichordata, Urochordata and the Cephalochordata. In the last period we see the Urochordate animal. In this period we see the Cephalochordate animals. So generally one by one we detail give idea about the Cephalochordate. General characteristics. They are found in the marine. They are widely distributed in the shallow water. Mostly they are the sedentary and buroid with only anterior body and projecting above the bottom sand. Body is very small. Generally they are 5 to 8 cm long, slender, fish-like, metamerics and transparent. Head lacking, that is the head is absent. Body has divided by the two parts, trunk region and the tail region. Paired appendages lacking or the absent, that is the not the paired appendages present. Median fins present. Exoskeleton is also absent. Epidermis single layered. Muscles dorsolateral, segmented into the myotomes. Coelom intercoelus, reduced in the pharyngeal region by development of atrial cavity. In this animal, that is the notochord is present. They are the rod-like, persistent, existing from rostrum to the tail region. Hence, the name of animal is the cephalochordate. Means notochord is rod-like and they are persistent and extending from rostrum region or as related mouth region to the tail region. Hence, the name cephalochordate animal. These are the some external character. Next character is the internal, that is they also see only with the help of the dissection. First is the digestive tract. It is also called digestion process. They are completed with the help of this part. It is called digestive tract. They are also present. Pharynx large, perforated by the numerous persistent gill slit opening into the atrium. Filter feeders. In this animal, respiration through the general surface, no special organ for the respiration is present. Circulatory system, well developed, closed type and without the heart and respiratory pigment. In this, that is the hepatic portal system is well developed. In this, that is the excretion is completed with the help of protonephridia with the solenocytes. Excretion by protonephridia with the solenocytes. Next character is the nerve cord is the dorsal, tubular without the ganglion and the brain. Dorsal and ventral nerve roots separate. Sexes separate, that is male gamete and female gamete, they are present separate. Gonads numerous and metamerically repeated. Gonoduct lacking or absent. No asexual reproduction is takes place because that is the sexes are the separate. In this, that is sexual reproduction, they are takes place. Fertilization is external they are completed in the seawater. Development is indirect, including the free swimming larva, and the cephalochoridae generally comprise about the 30 species. Mostly of the genus is the Branchiostoma and put in the class Leptocardi. So these are the different general characteristics of the cephalochordate animal. For example, is the Branchiostoma. Then classification. The generally subphylum Cephalochordata include a single class that is called Leptocardi, a single family Branchiostomi, and only the two genus or the two genera. It is called a Branchiostoma with the 8 species and Asmetron with the 7 species. Asmetron differs from the Branchiostoma in having the unpaired gonads on the right side of the body and a symmetrical metafilar fold. These generally, in very short, their classification, that is the subphylum Cephalochordata include only one single class. As related, their example is the Branchiostoma. It is also commonly called Amphioxus. Generally, the members of subphylum Cephalochordata are the very small, specially fish-like. All these characters they are found in the Branchiostoma. The Branchiostoma is also commonly called ancillate or the lance. It is also called Amphioxus. Was first described by the German scientist Pallas in 1778. He considered it to as a slug or the phylum Mollusca and named it Limax lancilletus. And the Italian scientist Costa in 1834 first recognized its chordate nature and described it as a Branchiostoma lanceolidum. 2 years later, Ariel named it as also the Amphioxus lancillus. This is also the general classification. They are included the phylum Chordata, group Crania, subphylum Cephalochordata, class Leptocardi, family Branchiostomidae. Our type or genus is called Branchiostoma, or it is also called Amphioxus. The name of the subphylum Cephalochordata is made by the Greek word, that is the presence of the head plus chordae means cord, is derived from the fact that the notochord extend forward inside the rostrum even beyond so-called the brain. This feature is encountered now where in the chordate. As they lack a skull, the cephalochordate are also called acraniate animals. They are also made by acrania, means A means absent, cranium means skull. The old generics Amphioxus means also they made by the Greek word amphi means double, oxy means sharp, and the common name called lancillate or the lancet or lancillate, a little lance, refer to both ends of the body which are the sharp pointed and lance like. The correct generics name is the Branchiostoma according to the law of priority, and the name Amphioxus is written as a common name for the cephalochordate in the general and the familiar. Generally, this Branchiostoma is about 9 species which is found in the Cosmopolitan, reported from the different ocean of the world. These are also the different species. Generally, Branchiostoma is marine animal commonly found in the shallow water, brackish water, salt water, etc. However, it is the night dusk, it comes out the sand and swims actively by the latter undulating movement. That is also the figure C, that is the Branchiostoma. Their entire animal in the right side, entire animal in the ventral side, and the general anatomy as related dissected in the left lateral side. Generally also this figure indicate different. The anterior end comes again above the Branchiostoma. Generally they are divided by the externally We see their shape, size and color. Generally, this branchiostoma is a small, elongated, narrow and fish-like animal, 5 to 8 centimeter in length. Body is whitish color, translucent, laterally compressed and pointed at both the ends. Hence, the name is called lanceolar, which means a hence the name lanceolar, which means a little lance. The streamlined body is well suited for burrowing as well as swimming. The posterior end is more tapering and pointed than the anterior end. Division of the body. A true head is degenerate and absent. The body is divided into the main two regions, that is the greater anterior region constitute the trunk and the much shorter post-anal posterior region is the tail. The anterior end of the trunk in front as a jointed snout or the rostrum. Aperture. Generally this trunk bear 3 opening, that is called mouth, arteriole and anus. Anteriorly below the rostrum is a tentaculated structure in the oral hood formed by the dorsal and lateral projection of the body. Mouth is wide. Antroventral aperture. Also, arteriophore is bordered by the free margin of oral hood. Arteriophore is small, midventral. Another small aperture is the anus. And small posterior body region behind the anus is the tail. Then also present by the fins and fold. In the branchiostoma has the 3 longitudinal, median or unpaired fins, dorsal, caudal and ventral. The dorsal fin runs as a low mid-dorsal fold along the entire length of the trunk. It is a continuous behind with a much broader caudal fin around in the tail. The ventral fin also runs mid-ventrally from the caudal fin. Fin rays boxes, paired fins are absent. There are 2 hollow membranous metapleural fold. These possibly help in burrowing the sand rapidly due to the turgidance caused by the flow of body lymph. Thus the anterior 2/3 of the body in the region of metapleural fold. So this is the cephalochordate. We see in this, that is the cephalochordate general characteristics and their classification, and the detail for their example is the branchiostoma. In the next period we see the